Okay, I have only 7 for you tonight because I did some of it today. Okay, let's go. Something wa Nihon no Niko, Nita, no, Nota is the north of Japan. Ni arimasu. There is something in the north of Japan. Hiro, Russia. Oh, Russia. Russia. The Russia is in the north of Japan.
北、ロシアは日本の北にあります。ロシアは日本の北にあります。
Yes, this is yes, I remember the north. Kita. Nihon no kita. I think we can pass this one because kara no rai. This is like the kanji for the body for the kanji for the day. For the yes, wa something wa ie de yoku terebi. Oh, this is holidays. This is holidays. Omimasu. I often watch TV during the holidays.
休日。休日は家でよくテレビを見ます。
休日. I think I'm gonna fail this one because I need to know the pronunciation. I remember the meaning, but I need the pronunciation. もう少しゆっくり話してください. A little bit, please speak a little bit slower.
もう少し。
もう少し。
もう少しゆっくり話して。
Ah, this is a new word. このプログラムは、とても、this program is, I think it's 難しい. I think it's complicated.
複雑。このプログラムは
あ、
とても複雑です。
複雑. Okay, just looked up the difference of between 難しい and 複雑. So basically, 複雑 is about. Okay, let's take an example first. Lifting weights, when you go to the gym and you lift heavy weights, it's muzikashi, meaning the effort. It's hard to do, physically do. While fukusatsu is more complex, fine, refined, complex, like clockwork. When a master clock craftsman, he does a very intricate clock system, with all the gears and everything. It's very small, very, very, very fine-tuned, etc. It's a complex work inside. It's a complex workings. So that's the difference. That's the difference. Muzikashi is hard in effort, like lifting weights, but it's not a complex task. You just lift. It's just hard. So that's the difference. Because that's okay. Let's fade this one. This one. Something wa ie de yoku terebi. This is the holiday. Kyuzatsu. I like to watch TV on the holiday so often.
休日。休日は家でよくテレビを見ます。
休日. Okay, I think we can pass this one. 休日. 彼女は三人の子供を育てました。彼女は I think she has 3 children, something like that. I don't know.
育てる。彼女は3人の子を育てました。
育てました。育てました。育てました。Okay, it's like raise up. 育てました。Okay, let's fade this one. 育てました。このプログラムはとても複雑です。This program is very complex.
複雑。このプログラムはとても複雑です。
The past, 時をまで something で3時間かかかります。3時間かかります。This is like, I think this is like hanging up something or putting something up. I don't know. 3 hours. I put something for 3 hours. Tokyo. After Tokyo, I put something 3 hours. I don't know.
特急、
東京まで特急で3時間かかります。東京まで特急で3時間かかります。
Oh, limited express train. Okay, I know this one. Tokyo.
特急、
Tokyo.
特急、特急、
東京まで特急で3時間かかります。東京まで特急で3時間かかります。
It takes 3 hours to Tokyo. Okay, Tokyo.
特急、
Tokyo means limited express train. Okay, we see this one everywhere in Japan. So that's an interesting one, important one. Tokyo. Every morning I see it and I get lost in the because of this limited express train. This is only people with tickets. This one, you have to have a ticket to get in, but it goes at the same stop as the normal train. Anyways, let's fade this one. Tokyo. 彼女は3人の子をI don't know 育てました。She brought up
育てる。彼女は3人の子を育てました。
育てました。Okay, let's pass this one because I'm very tired. 毎日ジェギグゾーゼゼギングジェギングをチェキングをしています。I think every day I check something like that. I think it is she. So, she, zegging. I don't know.
ジョギング、毎
Jogging.
日
This is
ジョギングをしています。
Okay, this is the sound O. Jogging. So, okay, let's pass this one. This is just katakana jogging. 東京まで特急で何時間かかります。The limited express train arrived.
特急、
東京ま
Oh, it
で
takes 3 hours.
特急で
Okay.
3時間かかります。
Well, limited express train. I remember this one, so I pass. Let's focus on the green. Something. This looks like the kanji for week. I don't know. Deshi. This is deshi no naka ni arimasu. Deshi no naka ni arimasu. Deshi no naka ni arimasu. I don't know. Hidashi no. Hikidashi. 財布は引き出
引
し。
き出し。財布は引き出しの中にあります。
引き出しの中にあります。引き出し is a drawer. Okay. Let's pass. 電気something を something で買いました。秋葉原。Okay, I couldn't know this one. 秋葉原で買いました。So you buy something in Akihabara. Akihabara is known for the geeks and manga culture. So I think he's gonna buy manga. Dinky, but there is this. This is like electricity, I think. So I don't know what he's going to buy.
製品、
電気製品を秋葉原で買いました。
製品。Okay. I remember electrical, but projects, I don't know. 製品。
製品。
Okay, it's fake. Something de 日本の This looks the kanji for school. を宿題しました。I did my home. Something about Japan. Did my homework. I don't know.
字、
高校で日本の字を勉強しました。
G character. Okay, G. This is G. Okay,
字、
let's phase one. 電気を星。I think this is Hiroshima something. 秋葉原. So this is 電気. Okay, I don't know. 電気 this is electrical goods.
製品。
電気製
Let's pass it. This is about 勉強. I don't know. 宿題しました. 本の I don't
字、
remember.
高校で日本の字を勉強しました。
Okay, let's phase one. This one is something 実来実は家でよくテレビ見ます。Often in the holidays I like to watch TV.
休日は家でよくテレビを見ます。
Okay, let's pass this one. Something で日本を日本の学校字を宿題しました。I went to the high school to learn, to do some Japanese, something like that. I don't remember this. 高校
字、
このプログラムはとてもこのプログラムはとても複雑。
複雑、
Okay, pass. This is sorry.
複雑。
This is
このプログラムは
complicated, I mean. 複雑。彼女はさんを知ってました。そう出ました。
育てる
Okay, this just means bring up.
育てる彼女は3人の子を育てました。
Okay, let's pass. 毎日ジョギングをして、I want to do jogging every day.
ジョギン
I
グ。
do jogging every day.
毎日。
Okay. 東京まで something で3時間かかります。日本まで
特急
特急。Okay,
東京まで特急で3
okay, this one. Something は通期でしなかあります。財布はmy wallet was inside something. My wallet 引き出し の中にあります。I think this is the drawer. My wallet was in the drawer. 引き出し。
引き出し。財布は引き出しの中にあります。
引き出し。OK. Espace. 引き出し。東京まで something を3時間かかります。Wow. 東京まで、this is the 特急 Express Limited
特
Train.
急。
電気、something 物、this is electrical stuff を、秋葉原で買いました。I'm going to buy electrical stuff in 秋葉原。I don't remember stuff or product. 製品。
製品
Pass. Something で本の額字を受賞しました。I don't know. I studied in Japanese. かっこいい。This is like high school, studying in the high school. 日本の成功。
字、
高校で日本の字を勉強しました。
G. Guess. Say this one. G. 東京まで特急で3時間から。This one had some. I don't know what I'm saying, but
特
I
急。
got this one right. 特急。Something で日本の。Something. Oh, this is G. So, something で日本の字を勉強しました。Meaning learning Japanese alphabet. Or I learned しました。I learned Japanese alphabet. I don't know. ここ Yes, ここ in high school.
字、
高校で日本の字を勉強しました。
It's the same
G.
one. And finally